Okay, so it's chore time. And all we gotta do is waters, go do chickie eggs, and feed the chickens. Because nobody believes me that I pet the boys. I got the gloves. Well, I'll fill up their trough. We'll give them some lovin's. Come here, cheeky boy. Hi, Papa. Hi, Winchester. Don't jump, big butt. Whoa, 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 whoa. Good boy. Good boy. Are you jealous? Well, come here. Ruger's the only one that loves pets. But he's my bud. Hold on. Yeah. You're my bud. Winchester. He's just jealous because you're getting all the cats. Oh. There. Watch out, Baba. I don't want to touch you now. I got stinky gloves. Alright, I'm going to leave the camera rolling because I got to keep it out of the way. Because if I put the tripod in with the girls, they're going to be all up rubbing on it and knocking it over. So 2 eggs, feed the girls, or feed chickens, top off the water here. I realize oftentimes I don't set the camera up to where you can see what's going on. So hopefully by doing it this way, you can see, you know, what we do for chores. And you can see the animals a little bit longer than a couple of seconds. So these are the Dorset sheeps. These are the new girls. So I expect them to flee once I get close to the water because they're not exactly people friendly yet. And of course, the main herd here with Miss Opal, who's in heat. Yeah. Hi, Henry boy. Yeah. Mr. Mauser with Flo. Top off their waters and set you guys here to watch. Like I said, since you don't get to see the animals doing a whole lot, this is what they do all day. I promise y'all ain't missing much. And the Southdown sheep are pretty lazy. This is what they do all day. This tree specifically. This is their favorite tree. Unless I've got food or treats, they don't move. Woolly tardigrades. And then there's Odin, who just follows me around because he's happy to be here. Huh, buddy? You're just happy to be here, huh? Yeah? Well, a leaf must have moved. Alright, now that chores are done, I've got my basket of eggs there on the tailgate. I'm going to go inside. We're going to feed Mr. Odin. He gets an egg with his dinner, just like he does with his breakfast. And then I'm going to have some dinner, which is chicken and broccoli. Because, you know, fat guy. But yeah, hope everybody has a great night. I hope this video works to where you guys can see more of the animals. And, yeah. I'm pretty beat. I've done a lot today. And then meal prep tomorrow. All day. Yay. Oh, and laundry.